Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tears of the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. The hood looks excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches on it. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver's side doors. Okay, I'm not seeing any dents on the door at all, but I do see that it has a scratch right there. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no dents, but I do see a scratch right here. But the wheel is perfect. Let's move on to the back of the SUV. Alright, the trunk and back bumper look perfect. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches nowhere here. Everything in the back is spotless. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door here are in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches at all. Let's take a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender is perfect. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear and tear on the seat at all. Let's take a look at the door panel. Perfect. The window switches are fine. Everything looks good. Let's move on to the back seat. Okay, the back seat is fine. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the front seat looks good. Let's move on to the back seat. I do not see any wear and tear at all on the seat. Let's just have a look at the third row seats and make sure everything is fine. Perfect. So the passenger side is in excellent condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. Everything here is in excellent condition. There is no wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is perfect as well. I'm not seeing anything wrong with the buttons, and the leather and stitching is excellent as well. So the interior of this SUV is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.